Why you should never keep too much money in your bank account. If your idea of being smart with money is letting it sit safely in your bank account, you might be doing it all wrong. What if I told you that your bank account, yes, the one you check every morning, is quietly making you poorer every day? Not because you're spending, but because you're not doing anything at all. Today, we're exposing the truth about keeping too much cash in your bank and what the wealthy do instead. Let's begin. The illusion of safety. Let's talk about the biggest myth in personal finance. That cash in your bank equals financial security. We've been trained to believe that the bigger our balance, the safer we are. But here's the hard truth. Your money is losing value every single day. It's called inflation. While your money sits still, prices rise, groceries go up, rent goes up, life goes up. Your money? It stays the same. Or worse, shrinks. Would you leave your phone battery at 20% and never charge it again? Of course not. So why are you letting your money run on low power mode? And no, your 0.01% savings account interest is not saving you. The cost of comfort. Here's the second trap, comfort. Most people keep too much in checking and savings because it feels good. It's visible, it's accessible, it's familiar. But comfort is expensive. Let me paint a picture. Say you're sitting on $10,000 in your bank account. At 3% inflation per year, in 5 years, that money will be worth roughly $8,600 in today's value. You're not saving, you're slowly bleeding. So, if you're wondering, well then, where should my money go? We're getting to that. But first, let's talk about another silent killer. Opportunity cost. What you're missing. Out on opportunity cost is what you lose by not taking action. Every dollar sitting idle could have been compounding in the stock market, growing in a high-yield savings account, funding a Roth IRA, or even starting your own side hustle. Let's do the math. If you invested just $500 a month into index funds earning 8% annually, you'd have over $100,000 in 10 years. But if that same $500 sits in a bank account, you'll barely break $6,100 with no growth. Let me ask you, are you really saving, or are you just standing still? Now, don't get it twisted. Some money should stay in the bank. But how much? That's where most people mess up. The smart way to use your bank account. Here's a smarter framework. Keep 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a high-yield savings account. That's your emergency fund, your safety net. Everything else? Put it to work. Automate transfers to investment accounts. Set savings goals tied to future purchases, not just rainy days. Use checking for transactions, not hoarding cash. And always remember, banks are designed to hold money, not grow it. But the real danger? It's not just about money sitting still. It's about the habits it builds. What the wealthy do differently. Wealthy people don't let cash sleep. They use money as a tool, not a trophy. They invest. They buy assets. They automate growth. Their bank accounts aren't museums. They're launchpads. They don't wait for someday or more money. They move now, even with less. What if I told you the reason you're not building wealth isn't lack of income, but lack of movement? It's time to stop babysitting your money and start mobilizing it. Your next money move. So what do you do today? Audit your bank balance. Keep only what you need. Open a high-yield savings account. Park your emergency fund there. Automate investing. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Betterment can do it for you. Move with intention. Every dollar should have a job. Because every day your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. Still not convinced? There's one more thing I haven't told you. Final revelation plus CTA banks. Love when you keep too much money there. Why? Because they invest it and keep the returns. You're not just losing potential, you're handing it away. So here's the truth. Wealth isn't built by saving harder. It's built by being smarter. Hit subscribe if you're done playing defense and ready to play offense with your money. Because money sitting still is money falling behind. Your move.